Okay, here's the filter board on the Drake TR7. I tacked in the 470 ohm poor man's filter mod that gives you AM reception. So I didn't really want to put it into the filter hole here, so I just tacked it on very lightly to that component there, left that open basically. And down here I did the same thing, if I can find it. Let's see where that thing went. Here it is. So yeah, I tacked that on lightly, not disturbing this hole with any solder. So that's the 470 ohm poor man's filter on the Drake TR7. I read that would give you wideband AM, probably greater than 6 kc, so let's try it out. I was able to get this card out without too much trouble. Let's try and put it back in. Let's see, am I upside down here? Yes, I am. Okay, there's a resistor I put right there. I just put some heat shrink on it to keep it above the board. Let's see if it's touching or not. Don't really want to touch it in the ground there. Let's get a view of it. Nope, it's not touching, so it's going to work out well. That's in slot 2, is it? Well, let's give it a shot. So let's do this very carefully without making a mess. I don't want to get these wires all broken by roughhousing this thing. I'm kind of wondering how I did get it out though. There we go. Make sure those holes look right with the sockets. Yeah, that looks reasonable. Let's get it into the slidey thing here, into the groove, without breaking the wire, hopefully. There it is. There it is. Careful, careful. Let's make sure the wires go in. This grommet goes into here, and the grommet's really old, 40-year-old grommet. Board's in straight. That grommet goes into there. Let's wiggle the board in side to side and not break it. Okay, the pins are all lined up. I heard you can break these things really easy. I was watching Stefan in Germany, and he was like, be careful. All right, just gonna wiggle it side to side. Yeah, it's going in. Okay. Well, that's it. The board is in and fitted. Let's put the wires back on. Like that. Okay, that wire's in. There's a wire back where it goes. All right. Board's in. We have the poor man's filter for AM. Let's see what it does. The antenna's connected. We have power connected. We have the power supply. We have the 220 volt converter from 110 to 220 for the British power system here we have right now. Turn it on. Click. Whoops. Unplug the soldering iron. Plug in the power pack. We got power. I think this thing has to settle for a few seconds to get ready to go. Turn it on, it'll go thump. All right. Now, I've never used the filters before. Let's see what happens. Here's a station on the regular filter. I think it's a 3 kilohertz. Let's kick in the poor man's filter here. A. Ah. That does work good. Wow. I like it. Nothing too strong, huh? That's really nice. Saves a lot of money. Okay, nothing more there. Alright, let's try 80 meters. 80 meters is here. Let's try 40. There were people on 40 meters today. On sideband. There's sideband right there. Are they still on here? No, nobody on. I want to see if we get high fidelity sideband. Oh, no one there. Let's try this band here. CW. Oh well. Nothing going on there. Let's try WWV on 15. Let's go. 15, up 1. 15. 15. Oh, that's kind of weak. Let's try 10. Let's see. Let's go back to 10. 7. 10. Nope, can't get anything there now. That's what we're talking about. Let's try 5. I can't get anything worth showing you here at all. Nope. Well, I wish I could find some to show you guys how this works, but good luck. Find some sideband guys talking here. Nothing. All I can show you is AM band.
Estos fondos que las éramos por nuestros hermanos inmigrantes y por una reforma migratoria justa. Tú quieres el auxilio de todos los cristianos, dice Madre María, auxilian
Well, I love it.
a todos los inmigrantes a que se
It's like tuning an old radio from the 30s and 40s. It's fantastic for AM. I just love it. All right, well, enough of this. Back to work for me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.